This is a switch liquid system for the Schulze Pretreatmaker 4. It's a genuine OEM part. Now, you'll need this part and you'll need to replace the current one in your machine if one of your pretreatment lines is not pulling, or even the water line, which would be highly rare or highly unlikely. But you'll need this part if that's the case. We have a link in the description below to this particular item on the website, along with our pretreatment machine cleaner that is excellent to use to try to unclog most of the parts in the machine. We also have a link for our technical support. We offer technical support for these machines. We have years of experience with the machines, replacing them, hands-on experience. So we can help you out. If you require assistance, of course, we'd rather you go to your dealer or somebody that has been involved with the sales process. But if for some reason you need us, we are available. We have lots of expertise with these machines, years of experience, and over a decade in the direct garment market. So anyhow, a link to all the products that are associated with this are in the description below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so you get notified when we have a video that is uploaded. And please help to keep us in business and produce more videos like this that are helpful to you by purchasing consumables from us, so we can keep producing videos and give you good content. Thanks for watching.